Hi, I'm Heather Lloyd, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Graywood Developments. I'm joined by Kaylee Kelly, our Regional Sales Manager out in Calgary. It's a busy time for us at Graywood. We have over 12 projects under development and 7 new projects under construction right now. We've got a lot on the go and we're really excited to tell you a little bit more. At Graywood, we're big believers in downtown and cities, and that belief isn't limited just to Toronto and the GTA. In fact, in 2021, we saw tremendous momentum across several of our projects out in Calgary, and we're here to tell you all about our next great opportunity out west. Graywood has been actively investing in Calgary since 2016, where we've launched 2 fantastic communities comprised of 6 buildings. This fall, we're getting ready to introduce our newest community, bringing our Calgary developments up to a total of 7. This fantastic new site is located in downtown Calgary at the foot of the Bow River in the highly sought-after neighborhood of Eau Claire. But Kaylee, why don't you tell us a little bit more?
Thanks, Heather. I'd love to. Graywood believes in AAA locations, and that means thriving neighborhoods close to transit that have all the amenities of city life. With First and Park in Eau Claire, we have our best site yet in downtown Calgary, and you won't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. An ideal location directly adjacent to Princess Island Park, the Bow River, and steps to the financial district and future LRT Green Line station. Eau Claire is Calgary's festival district with active public plazas, thriving local market, and diverse shopping and dining opportunities already there, plus a slate of new investment and infrastructure soon to come. There is so much opportunity to be had in Calgary, and as we continue to lead the country in population growth with a median age that is the youngest among Canadian cities. Calgary also has the highest concentration of high-tech workers, which is also expected to double over the next decade, the highest GDP per capita of major Canadian cities, and the highest median income in the nation. Calgary isn't just a city to make a great life, it's a place to make a great living. And that's why Calgary was recently ranked the most livable city in North America and the 5th most livable city in the world. With so many people looking to diversify their real estate portfolio, Canadians and Americans are looking closely at my city for their next opportunity. And buying in Calgary has never been easier, with incredibly low closing costs, lower property taxes, only 5% tax with no PST or HST, no land transfer tax, plus you can invest with only 5% down until occupancy. When you consider all the citywide advantages plus the unbelievable location, First and Park might be the best buying opportunity in Canada, and we can't wait to tell you more.